no serious political party and a bear KennedyAgyapong or mo flag bearer. Take it from me. Many banyansafo na ekasati neti ene. In 2023, KennedyAgyapong was all over attacking MPs, insulting some of them. Henry Cotten Mokai ni issue with how Akumsin. Yes, or take ye how Akumsin on so Obama lose ni seat. Bonnie Ben on my ye. Bonnie also my NNS 2020 or no KennedyAgyapong. Air course after on the constituency for year campaign mom. A do ni so pursue the president. Safo no an supporting no. And also almost supporting it. Intisade our bear attack your mobile due on my tem. Now you see, Ubusan the campaign ben or koye more man, your koye more man say omo ye rally no coffee stage. And okokasamo mu few minutes bio. Na no etres e den etres a few minutes now okokasamo no. And no mo mu win elections ebe MPs. Clearly that cannot win anybody election. But ojina asu di this afo yatem. Now you see, and then Mon MPs now omu di KennedyAgyapong ni other aspirants other than Dr. Bawumia. Omo supported Dr. Bawumia omu ye MPs. Honorable Stephen Amu anomu ne abna ose asare no. Mon we say Dr. Bawumia did you on matemoda. Debi. But staff for no nyina. In 2024, omo pray a parliamentary candidate position in MPP. Dr. Bawumia personally gave them monies. Dr. Bawumia mo musika. So omo fan koye elections no omo wini no omo be MPP parliamentary candidates. Omo wini wie ye no. Dr. Bawumia say mo musika biem. So omo fan ko gi seat no. And omo maintain seat in MPP. Dr. Bawumia mananso wa o. Oko omo nyina constituencies ni omo koye campaign. Eko shia hemfo, eko lorry park, eko market. Dr. Bawumia was all over campaigning with them to make sure so omo be wini omo seat. No so wini abe president. And then almost supported Dr. Bawumia. But mom we said Dr. Bawumia did you on my term. Mom said Dr. Bawumia wa can't send me to your mother. Mom said Dr. Bawumia crab bomwa. Esa diena on my yen yada. That is the difference between Bawumia and a KennedyAgyapong. Bawumia ya mature to Nimunya Sanadrimudo. Onimisa politics na yen Obia on choices and he needs to respect Obia choices. And the fact is that Wabu Obi doesn't mean say or political ambition say on support and I say Nebon Joshua, Bombrambe support you. He understands this. That is a mature leader. But KennedyAgyapong, yeah, one mouth teku anatro, why anabiama no one supporting or baby do what them. And you see, the implication is that Oma KennedyAgyapong be a flag bearer, MPs now where did you on my terminating nano, want to mean from. And so Mombe campaign my MPP winning 2028 elections. He cannot do that. Ono ni ego no enti me my name from and from crown so a woman call. But Oma Dr. Bawumia be a flag bearer. This is a man who show respect to everybody. Oma may be trained crap, and he can call every single person to come and join MPP. Neya ye campaign, neya present here united front, neya kwakoji to me in 2028. So that is the difference. That is why I'm saying, say no serious political party will make KennedyAgyapong the flag bearer because of a divisive, on your matured. Unlike Dr. Bawumia, what show maturity, what show respect to every single MPP person. Be it omo might betray no omo won't betray no. MPP for one journey. Politics are obi a utimi trust Kwesi Pratt e politics mu no say nipa akono suro no. Fize Kwesi Pratt nipa utimi trust ne sign no. Say nipa akono obetimi afa jata danfo. Me say nipa akono obetimi de ne sa hye jata numa di no ro. Now one back I was for be a little over a month in KennedyAgyapong or call Kwesi Pratt. Ni political program so Kwesi Pratt Lankasara ni woni TV station na your friend Pan African TV so na Kwesi Pratt man airtime match ale na nya asem ketwa KennedyAgyapong ko pa Mahama cho so pa Mahama cho boni bia wa ni bia on fan che na Mahama ne yere ye ne nam for Mahama ye good person ovie ye ene me se ne ebe oze ye MPP for or sunny attacks a good Dr. Bawumia so any MPP for ye pass administration then KennedyAgyapong uchi and condemn and easy. We send track campaign man and was to Obama and number MPP flag bearer. Now we said a few moments later. Kwesi Pratt akwa Peace FM kokroku morning show so. Na juba odi akodi KennedyAgyapong anya asepita o le mum yantie ne o kafa KennedyAgyapong no mu wi abombra ne yankasa
hebe diskachisa dakrubi Debeba Bolem ni pa ubi a wabodam pa babidi. Bolem ni pa babidi party chairman. When the party chairman will be the presidential candidate because always ska. I don't know who know. Because yeah, we are saying about somewhere. And comfort the Oman Penny Pay. Kobe be the Oman Penny Pay and now Mudia. I will some Kwana Diba. Hitler said you could not Diba power. Hitler, you told us Waba. A DNT na German for some no more Hitler. Hitler, what Bolem complete.
Kwesi, now you're certified some about how.
Hey, now you're more than my committee.
I was here for where home match you. Kwesi Pratt, ACPP near or supporting NDC. And I can Japan and crowd for AMPP form or supporting NDC. Until we home match, we only report, we don't judge. Now, as a way by me who's a KennedyAgyapong crowd for a comment. Me who's a on my video, attack Kwesi Pratt now. Imagine one, is it that Kwesi Pratt Kenyans Asem they don't have any rebuttal? And as a woman say, a woman can reply that Kwesi Pratt Besia Babontia Baby when I Asem. Hey, me say, most money and this for ever can't boom the MPP abro. Otu eduboni become one. Most of the sofa or chibebe or more for bebre. Kojina Banta Maka say MPP ye coffee in 2025. More man come and want to more criticize no. More attack no. Hey, me bombing say mamo. That is the patriotism we are looking for in MPP. That is who MPP we are. MPP for much I say Rollins need to any military aban kran yansuro yankan anu antum. Yeah demonstration making sure say ya establish a proper democracy and we Ghana. Na nya KennedyAgyapong no nano atem no be didi an ye besuro no. Me say me bomb nsema mo. Mahambo no. Mahambo na ma say and we pretend and now pretend say you born again. You nim say onye born again but the fact say ya kana no atum ama ene. Wadani oba. KennedyAgyapong yamana dani oba, yamana dani oba. Me did say you've been following MPP presidential primaries campaign at Air Coso. Now, when who says some of the aspirants and to our mobile campaign or more yet. Nina ye no mudwankwa chasemboa omo diabua party ana omo ka ho asem ana mama parties kase mama parties kase na all this while Dr. Bawumia na waye kom investment a waye wo party ni mu any people a wo party ni mu Dr. Bawumia no nka ho asem but ene do no afrotegale Inti Dr. Bawumia or share a campaign and say Ewa Shanti Regime. When you abotre and make some striking revelation about and boa what they boa MPP party no any MPP executives. Now two things are striking. Me baby video natural, but two things are very striking. Number one, Dr. Bawumia pe any the only aspirant. Wabua every single executive in MPP 50 polling station Ekusi National when invest directly over 300,000 people when invest none of the aspirants 90 miasa except Dr. Bawumia. Near Tosubiru, Dr. Bawumia won J a buying contracted that. One G sika physical money, one physical benefit being free. MPP muda sika physical money benefit from MPP on J contracted that. But he's the only aspirant we're investing in every single executive in our party. Me mama kasamba she video no see Dr. Bawumia.
Yeba power 2018 regional executive elections. Me boa all the aspirants for the regional, the whole country. Omunina me boa. 2019 orphan constituencies. 109 orphan constituencies. Contestants, no aspirants, in all the orphan constituencies. Mema 20,000 Ghana cedis each. In all the orphan constituencies. Hereby 2020 parliamentary candidates, everyone 275. Yeba 2022. All the party elections from polling station to national. Meboy, polling station executives 200,000. Mito forms ma obia. Mito forms Emma obia. Mima obia so 30 Ghana cedis. 200,000 people. Mima obia 30 Ghana cedis. Se omonfa and in their polling stations. Ufriwa electoral area coordinators, Mito forms Emma obia. Na minya aspirant. Minya candidate. Na miyewi. Electoral area coordinators, Mito forms. Na obia mema 500 Ghana cedis. Obia 500 Ghana cedis. Oba constituencies for the elections. Every constituency mema 22,000 Ghana cedis. The same with national executives. Eti Osha Mesuma Boa Party kakra enyesa. Mesuma Boa Party kakra. Eze the year member emba abonte emba kan. 2024 elections. Sika mitime raise emma party no ebi da ewo ye party history. Ebi da pickups ayedi medema constituencies. Over the regions, over 300 pickups. And you see in the constituencies. In the constituencies, the pickups are being used. Yeko annual delegates conference. Legon. We contribute here. Emma Ankaya Yenesano Anka conference no embassy. We contribute 7.5 million Emma party no to organize the annual delegates conference. But me Mamba Abonte Ambeka. Mamba Abonte Ambeka. Enti Meso Mayebi. But adia me pese obi ehunu say uye president enye ubotom sika na odi be boagan edi be hwe Ghana. And yes, I sika. Yen hwehwe say uye sikani nti yemfa power maw. Eye unim die o ideas na odi be hwe ye man.